Welcome to the PanelPilot SGD 21B software tutorial. To start your user experience, visit www.lascarelectronics.com/software and download the PanelPilot B software. Follow the installation wizard and open. Firstly, choose your meter style. You have a choice of 6 popular configurations, including analog and bar graph styles. You can also invert the colours on the display. Select your preferred meter and click Next. Here you can choose your labels and units. Either select from the drop-down box or create your own. You have the option to upload a splash screen if you wish. Click the folder icon to choose a picture from your computer. The software will automatically convert your picture to black and white in the viewing box, or you can convert your picture outside of the software and upload that version instead. Choose the duration of the splash screen, or delete your picture by clicking the cross. Tap the Help button to receive more information about the ideal dimensions of your picture. Once you are happy, click Next to proceed. Choose your maximum voltage and scaling settings. By default, the maximum voltage is 1.25. Any value above this will require the addition of scaling resistors. If these are required, the software will prompt you like this and suggest suitable values. You can either accept these or customize them yourself. Please note that the maximum voltage will change dependent on your choice of scaling resistors. Next, choose how many decimal places you want to show. Please note that you can only show 6 figures on the screen. Next, set your digital and percentage scaling settings. Digital scaling allows you to configure what the device should display at specific voltages, and percentage scaling allows you to configure the behaviour of the analog meter. You will only get a percentage scaling option if you chose an analog meter. When you're happy, click Next and proceed to alarms. There are 2 alarms that you can set. You can choose from the drop-down list to choose your alarm type, logic operation, and value. For more information on the alarm types, click the Help button. Next, choose your digital pin function from the drop-down box. Again, to obtain more information, click the Help button. Click Next, and you will arrive at a summary screen showing your fully configured panel meter. If you are happy with your choices, plug in your SGD 21B and click Upload. If you don't want to upload it to your panel meter yet, you can save your configuration to your PC. If you already have a configured SGD 21B and want to copy the configuration to a new display panel, then plug in your existing panel meter and click this Download Project button. This will search for your device and let you save the configuration to be uploaded again in the future. The last feature to highlight is the trimming function. If your panel meter is supposed to display 100% at 5 volts, but instead is showing 98.5%, then plug in your meter, click Device, and then Trimming. This will give you the option to enter your expected and actual display points, and the device will then be calibrated to amend these errors. And that's it! Enjoy your PanelPilot SGD 21B. For further assistance and support, visit www.panelpilot.com.